A pleasant and warm welcome to all. My name is VC Ranjit and I am a MTech structural graduate in Weltech University. My project case title is Analysis of Self-Supported Steel Chimney Branches under the guidance of Dr. S. Geeta PhD. Introduction. Chimneys are stacks of very important structure for the emission of poisonous gas to the higher elevations that gases do not contaminate surrounding atmosphere. Chimneys are economical up to height of 45 meters. The results are verified with ANSYS. Basic wind speed of Chennai is 50 meters per second. Self-supporting steel chimney. When lateral force are transmitted to the cantilever action of the chimney, then it is known as self-supporting steel chimney. Steel chimneys are economical up to 30 to 50 meters in height. Essential part of chimney lining, bridge, opening, access ladder. Scope. Self-supporting steel chimney is considered for the present study. All chimneys considered here are single flue type. Only wind load and seismic load are considered for the design consideration. Recommendation of steel chimney. Minimum outside of the unlined chimney at the top should be 1/20th of the height of the cylindrical portion of the chimney. D is equal to 1/20 height HCl. Minimum outside of the unlined flat chimney at the base should be 1.6 times the outside of the chimney at the top. D base equal to 1.6 D top. Wind load calculation. As according to IS 875 1983, VZ is equal to VB K1 K2 K3 and PZ is equal to 0.6 into VZ square. PZ is equal to design wind pressure in Newton per meter square and PZ is equal to design wind speed at any height Z meter per second. Dynamic wind effect. Gust loading. Due to fluctuation, gust loading is random in nature. In wind engineering, the term called aerodynamic admittance coefficient AN is equal to 1 plus 1 dou HN by dou UT 1 plus 10 N DC naught by UT, where AN aerodynamic admittance and UT is equal to mean wind speed at a top of chimney in meter per second. These are the vortex formation. Reynolds number which has a subcritical range RE less than 3 into 10 power 5, ultra critical RE greater than 3 into 10 power 5 and supercritical 3 into 10 power 5 to 3 into 10 power 6. Analysis characterizing the following method to the highest quadral coefficient: response spectrum method, model analysis technique and time history response analysis. Load calculation. Loading. While designing the chimney, the following factors are to be considered: wind load, earthquake load and imposed load. Regimes of fluid flow. Regimes of fluid flow may be laminar and terminal depending upon the waves and earthquake meandering, etc. Data for design. Height of chimney 40 meter, area of the chimney 2 meter. Configuration: straight flow chimney, height of flat 10 meter, height of cylindrical portion of the chimney 30 meter, density of fluid 0.9 kg per liter, total number of dryer 2, basic wind speed at site VB is 50 meter per second as for Chennai. Part 1. Design calculation. Therefore, moment due to wind force and section modulus and bending stress are calculated for the design calculation. Then limitation of chimney geometry. Height is equal to maximum 14 cube over 0.36 meter plus tallest of building height in location 30 meter, which is per Q is equal to total quantity of sulfur dioxide emitted in the plant kilogram per hour. This is a typical view of a chimney which has chimney lining, bridge, opening, access ladder and a chimney duct and essential platform, etc. This is the deflection of chimney within manhole. This is stress of chimney within manhole due to the application of beam force. This is the base moment graph for the height to base diameter ratio. Conclusion: it is found that analysis of maximum moment and maximum motion are due to dynamic load as a self-supporting steel chimney or continuous function of geometry. It is essential to consider the manhole opening because of the analysis of self-supporting steel chimney. References: Menon and Rao, Silsky and Flaga and Lespiki. Menon and Rao reviews the international code procedure to evaluate the cross-wind response of steel chimney, and Silsky observed the cross observation of steel chimney arising out of aerodynamic phenomenon. Flaga and Lespiki analyzed the lateral response of steel and concrete chimney arising out of circular cross section due to vortex excitation. Thank you.